I got a new computer.
Oh, great. This one sucks.
Yeah. Well, that's what I thought, so I just got this one for us. It's a Macintosh Classic. Cost me like $2,000, so.
Oh.
I mean,
Got
it has to be good.
Treat it nice.
Yeah. Alright. I guess we can just plug it in and start it up. Ready to go, they told me. It was like, you know. Alright.
I'm excited. Look how big it is.
I know, it's huge.
I bet it's powerful.
Welcome to Macintosh. Never felt more welcome in my life.
Alright, new computer.
It's so expensive, it has to be good. There's no way, I mean. But, wait. Why is it black and white, though?
Maybe.
I don't know. What?
Maybe there's something wrong with it.
Yeah, this is weird. I've never seen it. Well, anyway, let's get some music.
Alright.
Let's put...
Hey, how about Abbey Road?
Abbey Road, yeah, definitely. I love the Beatles so much. So... This doesn't fit.
It's...
Maybe there's like...
We'll try a new one.
Another one?
No, that one doesn't fit either.
Oh. Crazy. Okay. Alright, well I guess let's just go on apple.com and troubleshoot.
Oh yeah. Get some support.
Where's Safari? That? No, definitely not. Where's...
Maybe it's on the dashboard. Look on the dashboard.
Dashboard? Yeah. Yes. I don't see any dashboard. I don't think.
There's no dashboard?
Well, let's try the hard disk. That should have like everything. All the... maybe. No.
I don't see Safari.
Safari is definitely not here.
Wait.
Yeah, well...
I thought you said it was ready to go.
Yeah, I thought they told me it was ready to go. I'm pretty sure. Okay, well, I'm calling Apple Tech Support. What's the number? 800 APLCARE. Alright, sounds good. Oh, you know what? I'll just put it on speaker so we can both talk.
Oh, yeah, good idea.
Thanks for calling Apple Care. What Apple product are you calling about? Apple iPod Touch or MacBook Pro?
What's that?
That's a MacBook.
Oh, this must be a MacBook Pro. MacBook Pro?
I still don't understand. Say the name of the Apple product you're calling about, like iPod Touch or MacBook Pro.
Oh wait, it says Macintosh Classic.
Yeah, it does say Macintosh Classic.
I'm having some trouble. I've created a case for you to give this information to the advisor. Want to speed things up next time you call? Ask your advisor about VoicePass or visit supportprofile.apple.com.
Alright, does that mean he's going to redirect us?
Call may be recorded.
Alright. Are we on hold?
Thank you for calling Apple. My name is Kiara. Can I please get your first and last name?
My first and last name is it's Sheldon Ginkler.
Okay. How can I assist or direct your call today, Sheldon?
Well, I'm having some problems with my Macintosh Classic. My new Macintosh Classic, I just got it.
Okay. Do you have the serial number of your device?
I believe I do. I'll just check the back.
Okay.
Yeah, it's, okay, here it is. It's E03542-8M0435LL/A. So.
Okay, yeah, that's not it.
Oh, okay, well,
What device
definitely.
that you have? What device is this that you have?
This is a Macintosh Classic.
Okay. Where do you get the serial number from?
I got it from the back of the machine, the new machine.
And it says serial number?
Correct. Yes, it does.
Okay. Okay. Um,
Sounds like she's
what's
asking
the
about.
issue that it's given you?
I'm sorry, what did you say?
What's the issue that it's given you?
Oh, well, there are a couple actually. On the screen, I think there's something wrong with the pixels. It's all like black and white. And also, the CD drive isn't working. It's not like fitting CDs.
Okay. Do you have an apple on the top left-hand screen?
Yes, I do. It's
Okay.
right there.
Click on that for me.
Click on that, alright?
Yeah. And then go to about this Mac.
Yes? About
Okay, and then,
the
where
Finder.
has the title of the computer right underneath it, it says version?
Yes, version.
Yeah. You click on that 2 times, get the serial number to see that.
Alright. I actually don't see that at all. I think that may be another problem with it.
What do you see when you click on about this box?
I see nothing actually there. I don't see anything like that.
Okay. So when you click on about this Mac, nothing comes up at all?
About there's not about the Mac, there's about the Finder. That's under the Apple. That sounds about the same.
Okay.
About the Macintosh Finder.
Okay.
Yes.
Would this be under your name?
I believe so.
Okay. So how you spell Sheldon?
SHELDON
Your last name?
GINKLER.
He as in George.
Correct.
Yeah, that didn't come up with anything.
Oh, I'm sorry. Not sure what the problem is. I'm so.
Okay, you said this is for the Macintosh Classic?
That's right. Brand new.
Okay. Do you mind holding 2 minutes for me, please, sir?
Definitely, definitely.
Thank you.
About the Macintosh Finder, looks like.
Maybe they're using an older computer than we are, because this is brand new. Maybe it's not updated yet.
You're probably right. That's like
This is
Yeah.
a way newer version.
Yeah, let's ask him about that
Okay.
next time they. Oh, it's just more music. How long can 2 minutes take? Oh, whatever. Brand new though, so I mean,
It's worth it.
it's
And
worth all this.
Look at all that memory.
Look at all that. 1,615 K. I don't know what K
What's
is.
a K?
That has to be a lot.
It's probably bigger than a gigabyte, right?
Definitely.
Yeah.
And a whole 433 on the system. It says. Wow,
That's a lot.
modern technology just blows my mind.
Every time.
Yeah. Wonder who Larry, John, Steve, and Bruce are.
Well, that's Steve Jobs, right?
Yeah, Steve Jobs, definitely.
Who's Larry, John, and Bruce?
Well, I mean, Larry Jobs, that's probably his brother. And then John and Bruce.
Maybe they're his
So-
kids.
Those are probably, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, sir, I'm sorry about that hold.
That's alright.
Do you know, did you look on the bottom of the device?
On the bottom? We'll try. Definitely try. There's nothing on the bottom.
Okay. Because the serial number we gave you is pretty long, and that's,
Oh, yeah?
yeah.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
interesting.
well, I can just check it. What's the serial number again?
The serial number, I'll try the serial number again. I'll look again on the back. Alright. I believe, well, it looks like the model number is M0420, if that helps.
No, it would be a serial. It was a serial number.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't see anything else besides the one that I gave you. So.
Okay. One more moment for me, okay?
Alright, that's fine. Oh, we forgot to ask her that other question.
Oh,
Yeah, that's probably the problem, though.
Yeah.
I mean, next time we definitely have to ask her that.
yeah.